Welcome back to my tiny garage. I've got a nice job today. I finally got... That's the wrong box. That is the correct box. That's for later. But for now, I've got some shiny new steering rack ends, both inner and outer. You can't really see that, but yeah. So I'm going to fit these. Basically, it's the whole steering rack arms inside, and there's the rack ends. So that's the one that goes on the wheel, and that's the one that goes into the steering rack, and they go together so we can steer. So these need replacing, and also I've got some new boots. I've booked it in for wheel alignment because obviously once I've done all of this, I need to do the wheel alignment. I'll put them on as close to the original ones as possible so that the size is exactly close enough, the same. But then I'll get it for a nice wheel alignment. That's going to happen next week, Tuesday. So I kind of have to make sure I get this done sooner rather than later, just to be sure. So yeah, let's start that. Oh no! I forgot to put this on. No. Ah, okay. Okay, so after absolutely destroying my finger yesterday, I decided I probably need the right tool for the job. So I've ordered some crow's foot spanners. Problem is, I need big ones, so I've had to buy this set of absolutely enormous ones. I only need a 34, I think it is, but I've got a 50 now, so yeah, that'll be useful. That'll make things a lot easier to loosen and tighten. So yeah, let me crack on with that. Oh, yeah. There we go. Nice. Okay. Okay, that's done. I think now let's go for a little test drive. I don't know what I'm looking for, if it's pulling severely to one side. Either way, I've got it booked in on Tuesday, so I will have to just wait until then. So I'll go for a little drive just to make sure it's good. Luckily the garage is just down the road, so let's go for a little drive and see if it's severely out of whack or if it's good. Seems good so far. I'm also looking for the clunking. So that's the whole reason I did this, was to get rid of that clunking noise that I was kind of hearing and feeling. Okay, my steering's a bit to the right, so I think it definitely needs adjusting. Okay, the steering definitely is a few degrees to the right, and it is pulling a little bit to the right. It's a little to the right. Hello, I've squeezed my bike in. My plan is to quickly drive to the garage and then cycle back home. It's not far, so I'm going to do a little loop, try and make it like 10 miles or something, get some exercise into this fat belly of mine. So yeah, let's head off to the garage. Okay, let's get going. I'm so unfit. Alright, got the car back. Alignment wasn't too badly out. Well, it was on the one wheel, but yeah, that's what you get for doing it by hand, I guess. But yeah, that's it. It drives nicely. It doesn't have a bit of a shake at high speed on the motorway. So all in, I'm happy. I'm going to get on the jet wash now. Got some Haribo, some snacks. I'm going to get on the jet wash now and give it a bit of a clean, because I'm going to go to the office tomorrow in it. Cool. If you like this, then please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.